Hello, hola, assalamu alaikum, namaste, shalom, ni hao. Thank you for visiting my page. I specialize in facial surgery. This is my passion, delivering what each individual person is looking for, natural results, fast healing. Well, the challenge with facial treatment is every person's face is unique. Everything is about millimeters and meticulous detail. I'm an artist and many of my paintings are on the walls of my clinic. We have patients come from all over the world. For all my national and international patients, I can complete Zoom or international virtual consultations, although I really like to meet you in person before surgery. The detail is important. Now, I only complete facial surgery and I have a custom-based facility in Harley Street, the world-famous medical area in London, and we have every state-of-the-art technology available. Over 20% of all my patients are revision patients from elsewhere. We provide really specialist care to all our patients, including normal, regular people, A-list celebrities, politicians, people from all walks of life. Now, quality of care is really important to me, and I have an excellent team to help me give you the best possible experience and results. Thank you, and I look forward to meeting you in person. If you need any help organizing your visit, do not hesitate to contact us.